Hello, welcome. In this blog, I will explain how to download Blender. When we click on Blender official site blender.org, it will open a download page. When you click on download, it will open another window where you can see Blender support almost every OS like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Steam. Let's first start with Windows. In Windows, search Blender in Microsoft's apps. You will find there is a for Blender. If you work with team, I will suggest go for LTS. LTS is a long-term support. If you are a individual, then go for a latest Blender. Next, let's check how you can download on different OS. Just click on Mac OS. You will get Blender for Apple products. On Linux, you can just download as same as Mac OS or just visit Linux store. On Steam, if you are a gamer, you definitely know what is a Steam. The benefit of Steam, it's same as Microsoft Store. It will auto update every time Blender update. Now this is something when you want to experiment with Blender with new upcoming features. Currently, Blender 4 is in alpha stage where everything is new. Geometry nodes, simulation nodes, and other things are just getting better. When you click on a branch, the following builds are for official branch. There are new features that may end up in official release, but they are unstable and can mess up with your files, so use for experiment only. Last option, latest changes. When you click on that, it will open a new page called Blender Release Note. You can check one by one on what is getting update and what will you get in next final Blender release. I'm ending with this by letting you know Blender need you. Blender need your help. If you are making money with Blender, do support Blender. It will make Blender better and then your workflow. Support Blender. It will support you.